The next is demand curve. Demand curve is a locus of points between the price and the quantity demanded. In fact, it is the graphical representation of demand schedule on a graph. Using the same table, we can present our demand curve. We have a graph of x-axis and y-axis, quantity, price, 5, quantity, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 at 30 naira, 25 naira, 20 naira, 15 naira, 15 naira, 10 naira, and 5 naira, expressed in naira. Please don't forget that. Using the same table, we can present our demand curve. At 30 naira, consumer demanded 5 quantity. At 25 naira, it demands 6 quantity. So draw this down. At 20 naira, consumer demands 7 quantity. At 15 naira, consumer demands 8 quantity. At 10 naira, the consumer demands 9 quantity. And at 5 naira, according to the table, consumer demands 10 quantity. This is a graphical representation, but we can attach all this together to have a curve. So by the time we join the lines together, then we have a demand curve denoted with D and D. This will lead us to market demand. The next is market demand. Market demand is the summation of all the quantities demanded by an individual consumers in the market. That is, it explains the addition of all the quantities demanded by consumers. This can be represented on a table where we have price and quantity demanded or quantities demanded at 30 naira. Quantity C was demanded 5, 2, at quantity B is 2, at quantity A is 1. At 25 naira, quantity demanded for C 6, for B 3, for A is 2. At 20 naira, quantity demanded increased to 7, for B 4, for A 3. At 15 naira, the quantity demanded at C increased to 8 units. At B we have 5 units. At A we have 4 units. And at 10 naira, quantity increased to 9 units for C, 6 units for B, and 5 units for A. This table can be expressed on a demand curve. But before then, we are supposed to look at the market quantity demanded. Market quantity demanded. The market quantity demanded at 30 naira is the horizontal summation or addition of the values we have for quantity. So we add 5 plus 2 plus 1. We have 8. We have 6 plus 3 plus 2. We have 11. We have 7 plus 4 plus 3. We have 14. We add 8 plus 5 plus 4. We have 17. And we have 9 plus 6 plus 5 is 20. This can be represented on a demand curve. From the previous table, quantities and price have been listed. So we present the quantities on a graphical representation. At 30 naira, you can see that 8 quantity units is demanded. At 25 naira, 11 quantity is demanded. At 20 naira, 14 units quantity is demanded. At 15 naira, 17 units is demanded. And at 10 naira, 20 units was demanded. Then we can join our lines to form a curve. Also, from the table where we have quantity C, quantity B, and quantity A, we can also use this table to draw our quantity demanded for C, quantity demanded for B, and quantity demanded for A. You can see from the table that we have at 30 naira we have quantity demanded 5. So 5 should be around here. At 25 we have 6. 6 should be before 8. At 20 naira we have 7 demanded. 7 should be a bit closer to 8. And at 15 naira, 8 quantity is demanded. At 10 naira, we have 9 quantity demanded. 9 should be around this place. Then we can draw our curve. For quantity B, we can equally do the same. At 30 naira, 2 quantity is demanded, which can be around this place. B before 8. At 25 naira, we have 3 quantity demanded, which can be here. At 20 naira, 4 of the commodities were demanded. Quantity 5 was demanded. and at 10 naira, quantity 6 was demanded. This can be used, can be drawn like this, where you have quantity B demanded and the other part. The next one is quantity A. Quantity A, where you have 1 at 30 naira. So 1 can be from here. Using your graph book, you will be able to calculate this very well. 1 at 25 naira, we have 2. At 20 naira, we have 3. Then at 15 naira, we have 4 of the commodity demanded. At 10 naira, we have 5 commodity demanded. These can equally be drawn to form a demand curve for hay. So with this, we've been able to draw a market demand curve.